So in this video, I am going to show you how to cash out Robux Devex. I can show you entirely because I don't have Robux, and as you can see, if you a user of Roblox have the restricted minimum amount of Robux in your account, you will be represented with an option to exchange your Robux for U.S dollars at the then current exchange rate set by Roblox, or what we mean cash out. So that option is to cash out will be represented as a cash out button on your account page. To initiate a cash out request, click the cash out button and enter requested information like full name, email address, and Roblox password. Once done, enter the Robux amount you would like to cash out and signify your continued agreement to the terms and condition by clicking the associated checkbox and click the blue cash out button. We will then review the request. If your request is approved, then it will be cash outed. So as you can see the exchange rate of Robux.